This is chapter 5, section 1, problem 15. Determine whether the following graph can represent a variable with a normal distribution. Explain your reasoning. If the graph appears to represent a normal distribution, estimate the mean and the standard deviation. So at this peak here, at this peak of this normal curve, is where the mean would be. So what we end up having to do is draw a vertical line down. You see where it crosses the scaling on the graph. So we do that, and it crosses the scaling here at 30. So that tells us that the mean is at 30. Okay, the standard deviation, you can find that by noticing the curve here where it bends and where it changes the way it bends. The inflection point. See, it's bending to the left, and up here it's bending to the right. So where does that place occur where it's not bending? So we're actually doing that by estimation, by line of sight, the way it appears. And we draw that. So that's the point where it's not curving either way. Where does that cross the scaling? Here it crosses at 25, and here it appears to cross at 35. So what you can do is find the standard deviation. Since we know the mean here, we can subtract 5 from it. And this gives us the standard deviation, the estimate there. In this case, it's 5. There's a mean of 30 and a standard deviation of 5.